Hey guys, welcome back to Limitless Detailing. Today, we'll be showing you the first of a two-part catastrophe detail. According to the new owner, the vehicle has been sitting since 2012. Can we bring this Chevy Silverado back to life? Stay tuned and watch till the end. If you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications for future updates. We also want to take the time to thank our friends over at The Last Coat for sponsoring this video. They've also hooked us up with a 20% discount code. We'll make sure to add this in the description. Guys, make sure you turn up your volume. Just listen to this pain. The very first thing we did was use our foam sprayer with all-purpose cleaner to help dissolve everything that was caked on the paint. If you guys are interested in knowing the products and tools we use, they will be listed in the description. After letting the APC set for a couple of minutes, just look at how it starts dissolving all this gunk. After leaving the APC for a couple of minutes, we use our pressure washer, making sure that there is a good amount of distance between the nozzle and the paint. We do the exact same to the bed of the truck. We remove all the leaves, APC, and pressure wash as well. Even though all 4 wheels on the vehicle were going to be replaced, we decided to clean them to make it look good. The last coat hooked us up with the Weekend Warrior bundle. Here, we'll use the last soap. Like any chemical or compound, before use, make sure you shake it. We've used many soaps in the past and we're very happy to see the foam created by the last soap. Once the vehicle's all foamed up, we use our boar bristle brushes to agitate all those sneaky, hard to reach areas. Here at Limitless Detailing, we have a variety of brushes, all used for specific jobs. There are many ways to wash a vehicle. Here at Limitless, we use a 2-bucket method. One of our best kept secrets is the shortcut to the bed of the truck. All jokes aside, it is easier to reach the top of the vehicle from the back. Once we're done, we begin to rinse the entire vehicle. To remove the writing on the glass, we used a glass scraper and glass cleaner. To make it easier to remove, make sure to flip the blade around. As most of us know, the first step in getting the ultimate surface prep is a clay bar. The Last Coat's Bare Slate Clay Mitt is awesome just for this. Using a clay bar lubricant, we spread it over the entire vehicle, then use a clay mitt to go over the paint. For those of you guys who have never used an actual clay bar, this would be so much easier to use. Definitely more control, and you'll eliminate the possibility of dropping the clay bar. Because clay bars were designed to remove contaminants from the surface of the paint, you will feel some resistance depending on how bad the paint is. Once the entire vehicle has been clay barred, we use an IPA solution to clean the entire vehicle. In order to really capture, enjoy, and see the long-lasting effect of any coating, it is always best to polish. We used a one-step polish and a one-step microfiber pad to do the entire vehicle. For those of you guys interested in polishing or correcting a vehicle, I can't stress enough how important it is to prepare the vehicle's paint before this is done. With so many combinations of compounds, polishers, and pads, it may be a little bit scary, but we will make sure that we have all the tools and products that we use in the description. Now I know what you guys are saying, a one-step polish won't get rid of all the defects, but take a look at this. Once we polish the entire vehicle, we use an IPA solution to wipe down any oils left behind by the compound. Now it's time to put on that gloss sauce. The great thing about the last coat is that a little goes a long way, and you can feel the slickness immediately after application. Remember at the beginning, guys, I told you to turn up the volume? Do it again. And just like that, you made it to the end. Stick around to the end credits for a little surprise of part 2. If you guys enjoyed this type of content, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications for future updates. Thanks for watching, stay clean, and may the gloss be with you.